Hey guys, I just want to show you all my pedestrian bridge, wooden railed pedestrian bridge that I got off of eBay today. I believe this item was sold from 1996 to 1998. It's a shame this item was never sold in the 2000s because it looks basically identical to the bridge that was seen in the intro of Thomas Reds. You know the intro where Thomas passes by the window and he passes under a bridge. Yeah, this is probably the exact same bridge, and I love that. I'll give you a good look at it. Here is the man that it comes with. $19.96. Here are the stairs. I love how learning curve includes stairs in this, so the people could get on top. And here is the other one. Here's the other stair. Here are the signals that you could put. Here are the signals that you can put in. They have little holes, so you can put them here. And here is the big track piece that it comes with. Huge. And here's the bridge itself, made of all wood. Well, what do y'all think of it? Let me know in the comments. I'd like to hear it.